Hi, in front of me is Oppo A95 and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and installing Magic Fluid Lite Fluid Theme app from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then to mute the music right away, click on the bottom left corner. Now to apply your wallpaper right away, click on those three lines at the bottom right one. Select Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Apply and decide where you wish to apply it. In my case, home screen only. So when I tap and go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. If you wish to change some of its settings or try something else, you can always go back to the same Magic Fluids app, but this time select this gear at the top left corner. Now tap on I accept in First Things First pop-up and adjust all of those options however you want to. If you wish to, you can always tap on presets, click on the best one for you and selecting and select yes in load preset pop-up to activate it. Now click on the top right corner and bottom one again. Select Set as Live Wallpaper, click on Yes in the pop-up and apply it the same way as before. Lastly, go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!